As we know, liver is the first largest gland in our body, and pancreas is the second largest gland in our body that is located in the abdominal cavity behind and slightly inferior to stomach between duodenum and spleen. The pancreas is act like a both endocrine and exocrine. The endocrine portion of gland consists of groups of tiny cells scattered in exocrine portion. These cells are known as islets of Langerhans. 4 types of such cells have been identified that secreting different hormones. Alpha cell secrete glucagon, beta cell secrete insulin, gamma cell secretes somatostatin or growth hormone inhibiting hormone. F cell secrete pancreatic polypeptide. So now we discuss the particular hormone that is secreted by the pancreatic cell. The first hormone that is secreted by beta cell of islets of Langerhans is insulin. The first hormone of endocrine system is insulin, which extracted in 1921 in dog by the Banting and Best. The insulin enhanced the glycogenesis. Glycogenesis is termed as the conversion of glucose into glycogen. It accelerates the conversion of glucose into fatty acid, which is termed as lipogenesis, and reduce gluconeogenesis. All these effects leads to decrease the glucose level of blood. The glucose level of blood is termed as hypoglycemia. The second hormone that is secreted by the alpha cell of pancreas is glucagon. Glucagon has opposite effect to that of insulin. Glucagon increases the blood glucose level. In liver, it accelerates the conversion of glycogen into glucose, which is termed as glycogenolysis. It promotes the gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis is termed as the formation of glucose from non-carbohydrate. And glucagon also enhances the release of glucose into blood. The third hormone that is secreted by the gamma cell of islets of Langerhans is somatostatin. Somatostatin is an analog of growth hormone which inhibits the overproduction of growth hormone in the body. This may help in the management of acromegaly. In further video, we will discuss about acromegaly, so please subscribe to our channel for further notification. The fourth hormone is pancreatic polypeptide, which is secreted by the F cell. This hormone regulates the release of pancreatic digestive enzymes. So now we discuss the factors or deficiencies or hormones or chemical and neural stimuli that stimulate or accelerate the production of pancreatic hormone in our body. The blood glucose level appears to be the major factor that governs the release of both insulin and glucagon. Higher glucose level, or in case of hyperglycemia, insulin production is stimulated and pancreas secrete the insulin, while the lower blood glucose level, or in case of hypoglycemia, the pancreas secrete the glucagon. Insulin decrease the blood glucose level and glucagon increase the blood glucose level. And hormone secreted by cells of gastrointestinal tract such as secretin, gastrin, cholecytokinin promotes insulin release. Somatostatin inhibits secretion of both insulin and glucagon. That's why somatostatin is work as insulin and glucagon analog. and some parasympathetic activities leads to the releasing of neurotransmitter acetylcholine. This neurotransmitter stimulates the insulin production, while sympathetic transmitters epinephrine and norepinephrine inhibits insulin production.